How to sell cryptocurrency on Kucoin. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to sell cryptocurrency on Kucoin. So first of all, go and log in into your account and make sure that your account is already verified. Now to begin with, you just go ahead and select the trade button located right at the bottom, and here go to the sell tab. And on this page, what you have to do is you need to select the particular asset that you have and that you are actually eligible to sell, or that you have enough coins so that you can go ahead and proceed on to sell. So when you've actually done or reviewed your information, then you have to go ahead and select your asset, all of these information, USD, all that, and then you'll be taken to the other page where you need to go ahead and confirm your transaction, and then you'll have successfully notified that you sold cryptocurrency on Kucoin. So in that way, you can go ahead and sell cryptocurrency on Kucoin. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.